Hi, my name is Andrea Wong, and I'm here to show you, upon request, how I work brioche stitch. So I don't have the intentions of talking about all the basics of Portuguese knitting or all the basics of brioche. I hope you have tried both techniques, and this is to answer most requests from you that already are familiar with both Portuguese and brioche. So let me show you how I do this. Mostly in brioche, what you do is you cover with a yarn over the stitches that appear to be single, and the stitches that already are not single, have a yarn over with, you work together. In this case, it's going to be a knit stitch. So let me show you how you would do this and how I do this, okay? The first stitch again is a single. I'm going to put a yarn over on it, slide off. The second stitch is going to be work together, the stitch, which is a knit, and the yarn over on top. So I would bring the yarn on top of the right hand needle in order to knit, okay? And now I would have to bring it down to slip that stitch and make a yarn over, bring the yarn up, hold with my finger, knit the two stitches together, bring the yarn down, slip, put a yarn over, hold with my finger, knit or brick knit, bring the yarn down. Well, there is an easier way to do this, which is leave the yarn below the right hand needle, slide the next stitch as if to purl, and then knit it together or brick knit. By doing that, you already put a yarn over on top of your purl stitch. Again, let me repeat to the end of the row. The yarn is below the right hand needle, you slide as if to purl, leaving the yarn in the wrong place, you need to brick knit or knit the knit stitch with the shawl on top. So you kind of make it a shortcut. Slip, knit together, slip, brick knit, whatever you want to call. I always see a single stitch that needs to be covered, a cover stitch that needs to become single. Okay, I'm gonna work one more row. Let me turn here, and this is my scarf. Actually, you can see that makes nice and neat edges. The stitch is really fluffy. I'm knitting in Malabrigo. I will have the pattern for the scarf and the pattern for a hat for you available as a kit, hopefully soon. So again, let me repeat this row, and you see that the yarn is tensioned around my pin, the yarn is over my middle finger. Again, yarn over this one. For the first one, I tend to work this way. Bring the yarn down, slide, work together. There's a nice rhythm to it. Okay, I worked an entire row. You can repeat watching this video as many times as you want. And if you want to post questions, please be patient with me. I'm not the best or on replying pretty quick, but eventually I get there. I'll reply your questions, okay? Either on my website or here on my YouTube channel. Just let me know if you have questions. Thank you for watching.